people would solve this question by first tackling the digits in the brackets, 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Then they bring down the 12, the division sign, the 4, and the brackets. Next, they multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. And now you're getting 12 divided by 12, which is 1. And that's the answer. That is incorrect. Now, let's slow that down and solve it properly. Using the standard order of operations, PEMDAS, first we handle the parentheses. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Awesome. Now, bring down the 12, the division sign, and the 4. Here's where most people slip, just a little. PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority. So we go left to right. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. Then bring down the 3 from the brackets. 3 times 3 gives us 9. That's the right answer. If you still have any confusion or you disagree with the final answer, feel free to drop your suggestions in the comments. I'll reply to every comment. And if you enjoy math explained like this, subscribe and take a look at the next video on your screen. It'll test your math IQ in a way you might not expect. I'll see you there.